Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use cleanup tool on iPhone and remove objects from your photos. First of all, in order to use this feature on your iPhone, you're gonna need an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 50 Pro Max, or any iPhone from 16 or 17 series. So the previous iPhone models do not support this feature, and also make sure that your iOS version is at least 18.1. Then you'll have to enable Apple Intelligence, which powers this feature on your iPhone. To enable it, go to Settings, and go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and switch this toggle to the right, and download the package if your iPhone requires it to be downloaded. Then open a photo from which you want to remove an object. Then tap Edit icon, select Cleanup at the bottom bar, and then you basically have to either tap or brush or circle what you want to remove from the photo. So in my case, I want to remove this logo, for example. Now let's let the intelligence do its thing, and eventually we'll remove the object. It didn't do perfectly, but it managed to do as the best it can. We can also remove this stain right here by brushing it and letting the iPhone manage it. And that's it. Now let's tap done. And now this logo was removed from the photo, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.